We are just a South African food content YouTube channel, and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Now, welcome back to another video. Today we are making jalapeno paste from our garden. Boo, 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 boo. Let's get straight to it. Your onions again, your garlic, jalapeños. Make sure you wash them. Straight from mommy's garden. Wash until they are clean. Take your garlic, peel it nicely. Always clean your surface. Your onion again. Don't worry about the sizes. We are going to blend it. Switch on your blender. Throw in your garlic. Chop your jalapeños. They look fresh and nice. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Then blend everything together. It's proper. That's how it's supposed to look. Yippee! We are done with our jalapeno paste. You can use it the same way that you use your tomato paste. However, keep in mind that this is a chili, okay? This is a chili. It's not like tomato paste. Let's open it and see. Looks yummy. And you're going to keep it refrigerated all the time. See? If you like a little bit of chili, always put a spoon of jalapeno paste. You can also use it to marinate your meat. There we go. Thank you, famies. Thank you very much, famies, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Until we meet again, famies, stay blessed. May everything that you touch remain blessed. I love you so much. Bye.